Investing in an efficient roof is an important step in protecting your home. At Sunrise Exterior, we have one top priority: 100% customer satisfaction. Beyond our proven roofing and siding experience across Southern New England, we're also certified by top names that include GAF, Owens Corning, CertainTeed, Velux Skylights. We have earned our customers' loyalty with hard work and professional installation expertise, and offer that same superior quality in every single one of our projects. We do our work in the right way, which means free upfront cost estimates, fully licensed and insured. All work has a foreman and supervisor dedicated to the project. 100% green recycling. OSHA certified, trained and compliant company. Comprehensive labor and product warranties. Get started today with a free price quote from Sunrise Exterior Inc. We are a BBB A+ business and have a 5-star Google rating. We accept credit cards and also offer financing options for your new roof or home improvement projects.